guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. To my fans on the TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, MCLJ 0. I'm joined by Mabuda.
Sibo kunjani awuthami? Uyaqosa after 2 minutes. Shabu kunjani Sibo? Kunjani awuthami?
Ngimnandi Mabuda.
Shosho ujabule plan vandag.
Yeah.
Utholi present emnandi the vandag iValentines. Emnandi.
Yes.
Ya Roland from Roland Mkwena.
Yes.
From Algeria. Ubuyele Algeria ubuya nayo azonikeza amasandawana.
Yes.
Phela uRoland.
Yeah.
Umntwana wala ekhaya.
Yes.
Ngiyazi ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe ujabule blind. Ujabule Rulani. Ikasa Rulani yelo baba.
Yeah.
Akavumi ukuthi isidliwe la. Ukuthi umntwana ekhaya. Just nje uya pretend but yena uyisandawana. By blood intwana uyisandawana.
Aksipakania.
uRulani usazobuya azoyikhotha le team. Usasemncane. Just with my friends experience ngala. Afundi experience. But makabuya ngara uthatha le team siswinita waya. ngoRulani Mkwena. Kuye game ini ntwana. This was a game of consequences ana. This was a game of consequences. This was a game of consequences. Bengamelanga that was a must win game. That's why wona the way sidlala ngayang. The way sidlala ngakhona na. Ubonile uKarios ukuthi la abeka phume namhlanje. Bayeka phume straight. Ngoba besimfuna la. Uyayibona? That's why after the great Chikabala. The great Chikabala ithemba lamasandawana. Ubonile ukuthi ubelenzani makangena umshisi. Master class 10 baba. Master class 10. Crotman baba. Ibhola lakhe yabona ukuthi lila. Umshishi baba. So anyway I think that la machitha angene ukhotha ufuna ukungena. Ngithi forever yellow. Yellow.